Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Stripe affiliate marketing for payment integrations, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Marketplace section in the dashboard. Select the Affiliates tab from the options presented. Click on Create Affiliate Program to start setting up your affiliate marketing. Fill in the program name, description, and any other necessary details. Set the commission structure that you want to offer affiliates. Choose whether the commission is a flat fee or a percentage of the sale. Specify the cookie duration to determine how long an affiliate's referral is tracked. Review the payout schedule to ensure it aligns with your business needs. Once all details are filled in, click Save to finalize your affiliate program setup. Next, share your affiliate program link with potential affiliates. Encourage them to sign up and start promoting your services. Provide affiliates with marketing materials, such as banners and text links. Instruct them on how to track their performance using the affiliate dashboard. Regularly communicate with your affiliates to maintain engagement. Monitor the performance of your affiliate program through the Stripe dashboard. Adjust commissions and marketing strategies based on performance data. Finally, ensure timely payouts to maintain good relationships with your affiliates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.